Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will solve the LeetCode problem, which is the concatenation of array. Okay, so here is the problem statement. Given an integer array nums of length n, you want to create an array answer of length 2n, where answer of ith index is the nums of ith index, and the answer of I plus n is nums of I also. Okay, and here 0 less than equals to I and less than n, 0th index. Okay, so specifically answer is the concatenation of two nums arrays. Okay, so return the answer. So here is our example here. Okay, as you can see, we are having 1 to 1 and the output is 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay, and here we are having 1 3 2 1, and then we are having these one here as well. Okay, so there are the constraints here as well. Okay, all right. So now how we can solve this problem? Let's figure it out. So first of all, what we are having this array. So let's do 1 2 3, and the result should be 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3. Okay, simple enough. So now the thing which you can do basically, so you can run a for loop basically. So for the number in the basically the nums. Okay, so it is the nums. Okay, the nums array. So for number in nums, we can just create the answer array. Okay, and then we can do something like answer dot append of the num. Okay, and what exactly it will do, it will make a copy of the nums array. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to run the for loop twice, so 2 times. Simple enough, right? So this is basically our algorithm. All right, so now what exactly is the time complexity here? The time complexity that is big O of n. Why is that? Because we are basically going through all of the elements of the input nums array. All right, what exactly is the space complexity? The space complexity will be big O of 2n specifically, because we are basically creating the double length array. So it will be big O of 2n, which is basically big O of n. All right. Also, the time complexity should be big O of 2n because we are running the for loop twice. Okay. All right. So now let's go to LeetCode and code it out here. So all right, here we are inside of the code editor on LeetCode. Okay. So first of all, we will create the answer array because we are having it inside of the description as well, like the answer. Okay. All right. So here we will run a for loop for num in nums. Okay, answer dot append of num. All right. Once again, we can create another for loop. So for num in nums, answer dot append of num. Okay, all right. And after doing all of that, return the answer. All right. So here, if I just say that, okay, and run the program here right now. Okay, run it. All right. So as you can see, it is now passed. But now this code which I just wrote is not very much dynamic. So what exactly do I mean? So your interviewer might ask like, hey, what you will do if you want to concatenate the array, basically the numbers array, not twice, but thrice, 3 times. then what you will do, you will just create another piece of code, right? Another for loop here. So Control C and then Control V. Okay, and so on and so forth. So this is not dynamic. So to improve this code, what we can do, we can basically create another loop here. So for basically underscore in range up to, okay. So currently we are having basically 2 times concatenation. That is why the range is 2 basically right now. And now inside of the for loop, we are having this for loop here. So this for loop, the inner for loop will run twice. I hope that makes sense. Okay. So run the program. All right. We are having it, right? And the good part of this approach is this particular loop is dynamic. We have to just change this particular number. In case if your interviewer asks for 100 times, then you should just change this number to 100. Okay, awesome. So once again, what exactly is the time complexity? Time complexity will be big O of n, okay, and space complexity, that will be big O of n as well. Okay, all right. So now let's submit that. And once again, please do not mind my slow submission. Basically, I am using a LeetCode to GitHub extension, and that is why it is a little bit slower sometimes. But yep, as you can see, it is quite efficient. Okay, all right. So in this video, we have learned how to solve the concatenation of array problem in LeetCode. Awesome.